Hello guys, how to fix Windows can't find uninstall.exe error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And the first workaround is remove software leftovers. What is software leftovers? On Windows devices, software leftovers are folders, files, or even registry entries not deleted from your computer even after the related program is uninstalled. In most cases, they are harmless, but there are a few situations that will warrant you to remove these software leftovers. The first workaround is remove software leftovers, and to fix the first method is press Win plus E shortcut key to launch File Explorer in your system. Here go to this PC and open C drive, open program files, and find out the files or folders associated with the programs which you have already deleted or uninstalled, but there are files and folders remaining. Simply select it and choose delete. Manually remove software or programs leftovers from your system. The second method to remove software leftover is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type %app data %. Press OK and app data folder will open. Look for your associated file with your uninstalled program. Simply select it and choose delete. This is the first workaround to fix uninstall.exe not found error. And the second method to fix this issue is again go to run command box, right click on a start button and choose run command box, and here top appwiz.cpl. This is the best way to uninstall and completely uninstall any programs and features. Simply select the program and files which you want to delete it, uninstalled, and completely remove from your computer. Simply uninstall. The second way to uninstall any programs and apps from your system completely, go to settings. From the left side, go to apps. From the right side, choose installed apps, and here click on three horizontal dot against app and features and choose uninstall. After this uninstallation, your files and folders associated with these programs will completely be removed. So don't keep leftover files or folders in your system. And to fix this issue, the one more method is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute sfc scan now. It will find out corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. Apply this method and your uninstall.exe not found error will